Roshan Schools, we believe in equipping our students with skills for the future. That's why we've introduced practical computer sessions for students from grades 6 to 8. Our state-of-the-art computer labs provide a hands-on learning experience. Students get to explore practical applications of technology, from basic operations to programming and creative design. Through these sessions, we focus on enhancing digital literacy, problem-solving skills, and teamwork. Students practice tasks such as word processing and spreadsheet management, basic coding and software usage, internet research and safe browsing practices. We also encourage project-based learning, where students apply their knowledge to create presentations, solve real-life problems, and develop critical thinking skills. Roshan Schools, we prepare our students to excel in a world driven by technology, because here, the future begins today. Roshan Schools, where we nurture minds, inspire growth, and empower the leaders of tomorrow. Roshan Schools, where we guide young minds, help them grow, and prepare them for a bright future. Roshan Schools, we focus on building skills that matter. We help students learn, grow, and achieve their dreams. Together, we shape a brighter tomorrow for every child.